If you want to build a WordPress website and you are looking for a free web hosting out there, then this particular video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free web hosting along with a free subdomain so that you can install WordPress in it, and then you can start learning about WordPress. So what you need to do is to go to ATSNX.com, and then what you need to do is to click sign up. Now in this video, I will show you how you can get your free subdomain and how you can get access to the cPanel, and then how you can install WordPress in it. So what you need to do is to click this domain here and then just enter any of the domain here. So the domain that I will be entering here will be WordPress tutorial for you. Let's suppose that I want this domain name. Now what I will do is that I will enter the email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address because you're going to be receiving a confirmation email over here. Once you have entered the email, now what you need to do is to enter your password. Now once you have entered the password, now what you need to do is to enter the captcha over here. That's going to be 644C7. And once you're done with that, now you have to hit submit, and now your account is now activated. It says the email is now sent to the email address that you entered. So basically what you need to do is to go to your email account and see if you have received the email. So if you haven't received the email, make sure to go into your spam folder and check if you have got the email over there. Now what you need to do is to click on that, and here it should tell you to please click the link below to activate your account. So you need to click the link and your account will now be activated and your hosting account will now be set up, and now you will be able to install WordPress in it and create your WordPress based website. Keep one thing in mind is that this process will take some time, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. And if this gets stuck, make sure to keep checking your email so that if you have received another email, then in that email, you will be receiving the account information. And right here, you can see it says ATSNX.com. It says that the account is now active. And now if you go to this website, you should now see that the account is now activated. Now what you need to do is to open up your cPanel. You can open up the cPanel by just opening this link in a new tab, and now here is going to be the username and the password that you need to enter. So your username is this. What you need to do is to copy this username, and now you need to paste it in here. And now you need to enter the password that you added while you were signing up. And now what you need to do is to just hit login, and now you have to click I approve. And now the panel is now loading, and now you can start installing WordPress in it. So how you can install WordPress? What you need to do is to go down, and here it says Softaculous Apps Installer. What you need to do is to click on it, and it will open up a window where now you can select the WordPress from here and click install right here. Once you have selected everything, just do not change anything in here. In the username, just enter your username. So I'll be entering the username, and now I will be entering the password. And once you have entered the password, now what you need to do is to go down and click install. Do not change anything, just change this username and the password, and do not change anything at all. And now you have to click install, and now the WordPress is being installed. So it will take probably like a minute, and it will be installed on your particular hosting, and now you can see that it's being installed. Here you go. You can see it says that the WordPress is now successfully installed. So now what you can do is that you can open up this website in a new tab, and there we go. You can see that we have got our WordPress installed successfully. Now when you want to log into your WordPress, what you need to do is to enter your website address /wp-admin, and now you have to hit enter. And now what you need to do is to just enter your username and your password that you added while you were installing WordPress. So what we will do is that we will add our username, and now we will add our password. Alright, so once you have entered your username and your password, and now you can see that the WordPress website is now fully working. So now you can start working on it. You can go to the themes and now you can install your own theme. You can just click on Add New, and now you can change any of the themes. So let's suppose that I want to install this Azure theme. I will just click on Install, and this theme is now going to be installed on my WordPress website. So let's take a look at it. And now here you can see it says that the theme is now installed, and now you can click on Activate, and this theme is going to be activated. So once the theme gets activated, now if you click on Visit Website, you can see that now the look of the website is totally changed, and this is how the website is looking. So this was the video where we learned how you can go and how you can install WordPress on the ATSNX free web hosting. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.